Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Carol's Designs. So today I'm going to be teaching you on how to convert any layer in your Photoshop, whether images, whether individual text, into a PNG. Isn't that amazing? So if you like this tutorial at the end, kindly like this video for me, kindly subscribe for more tips, and then also kindly let me know your thoughts and other questions in the comment section. So at this point, let's get started. So let's open our Photoshop. Well, I've already designed a flyer, my photography flyer over here. So I'm also a photographer by the way. So we're going to change all these individual PNGs, individual text to a PNG. Okay, PNG, all these stars, whatever you see. So first, you may want to ensure that your image assets is ticked. Okay? So first you come to your files, then when you open your files, you scroll all the way down to generate. Okay, so when you come to generate, you notice that your image assets is not checked. So you click on it and check it. Okay, so when you come back here, come to generate, you realize that it has been checked. When you don't do this, it is not going to, confirm whatever you're going to do, or it's not going to convert your layers to PNGs. You do whatever I come to teach you next several times, but it will not happen. So you take this image assets. So it is very important. So after you're done taking the image assets, so let's say this camera, I want to convert it into a PNG. So let's rename it and say let's say camera. And then the key over here is that at the end of you naming your layer, you have to add .png. And also you don't necessarily have to name it. Whatever name that it has, you just have to make sure that you double click on it and then you add .png at the ending of the layer name. Okay, so let's add our .png. Then afterwards you click enter. Okay, enter. So image access has been created. So the fastest way you can find that is to come to your start button, okay, and then I labeled it camera.png. So let's search for camera.png. So you can see that we found it over here. Okay, it's over here. So what we'll do is that tap here, then we'll open in the file location to check wherever it has been finished. So in this case, it was placed in one of my files that I've been saving most of my PDF notes. So it's saved over there, and it's saved as the name of my Photoshop file. So the name of my Photoshop file was Graduation Photoshop. So it created a folder for it. Automatically created a folder for it. Then it placed the image in there. Okay, so this is the image that I see as a PNG. So same applies to any other picture you see over here. So let's see this one. I'll change it to a PNG. You double click here and you come to the end .png. So it will go straight to wherever that is saved the first one. So that is it over here. And even for your text also, see the Google section. I want to change it to a PNG. So Google section. This is in the PNG. Then enter. When I come here, it's over here, Google section. So with this, you can literally change anything in your Photoshop as a PNG. So this is the end of the tutorial, and thank you very much for watching. If you like these tips, kindly subscribe and like this video, and hit the notification button for more incoming Photoshop tips. Bye.